Hi guys, it's Roo here from PreparedCamping, and today I'm going to look at the little folding multi-fuel stove that I've got. That's a cheap copy of the well-known Bushbox. Got this particular one from Amazon for £10.72, I believe it was, and free delivery obviously on Prime. So, comes with this little cotton bag, fairly durable, pretty tough. As you can see from the state of it, I've used it quite a lot. Locking pin, comes with a trivet for the top for holding the pot, ash plate, and this is for holding an alcohol stove, although as you can see, never been used. Why take fuel with you when there's always wood wherever you're going, eh? So, goes together pretty simply. Just lay it out, get the ash plate in the bottom, bring the other side around. Now if you were going to put the alcohol stove holder, that just goes in the upper slot. Bring that around to there. Slide in the locking pin. There you go. Now, as you can see, it's fairly large. It's got a really good opening at the front for feeding fuel into it as it burns down if you're not dropping it in from the top. Size wise, we are looking 13 centimeters square on the top, and it is 16 centimeters high, slightly wider at the bottom as well, which aids for stability. It's 13.5 centimeters square at the bottom. Now, I'm not sure if you can see, but it has warped slightly after numerous uses, and obviously, you know, it was stainless steel, if you can believe that looking at it. But you know, I just take the large bits to sit off. I don't go mad for it since it comes with its own black carry sack. It also came, for some strange reason, with a little 6 centimeter square piece of emery paper. I don't really know why, but maybe it's to scrub it, to keep it clean, who knows. Right, so the trivet system is fairly simple. Slots into itself there. Now if you notice that there's one short slot, 3 long ones. The short slot goes for the back, just there. Remember which way around I got it. And there you go. And that's very sturdy. Very, very sturdy. I mean, I've not weight tested it yet. It's exactly how much it'd take, because I use it. I like using it. I don't really want to break it for no particular reason. But it easily holds 5-6 kilos that I've had. Well, you know, I've put a Dutch oven on top of that that's been full of liquid. So I mean, you know, easily 5 kilos plus. And I mean, I only did that just messing about really when I was in the garden. Obviously, you're not going to carry something like that with you normally, which is what this is designed for, really. I mean, normally if you're in your own garden, or if you're a regular campsite, you'll have fire pits and other things like that. This is designed really for folding up, putting in a backpack and carrying around with you when you're hiking or stealth camping, that sort of thing. It's good size. I mean, I've used it quite often as well after you've made your cup of tea or something to eat in it. You know, it's quite good during the evening. You can put extra fuel in it, and you can just have it as like a little self-contained fire. You know, in the UK, lots of areas you can't have open fires, so it's a handy thing to have. And for £10.72, well worth the money in my opinion. There's several different brands. You can't see the brand on this one. I believe it was To Go, or I might not be pronouncing that correctly. My Chinese isn't great, but yeah, there's lots of this sort of generic shaped folding multi-stove now on eBay and Amazon. So yeah, I'll put it back into here. and I'll take it outside,